today. We got Bluebird SL. My chair here. So, this microphone, this one that I got right here, is a cardioid microphone. And today we're going to be unboxing it, just covering the basic stuff that goes into this microphone. So let's get into it. We're not going to use a knife, we're just going to use our bare hands, because that's how we do it around here. Just rip it open, just like that. We don't need that. Ooh. Got the nice box, it's got some nice weight to it. I don't have a knife. I think I got a screwdriver somewhere. Yeah, I got a screwdriver right here. No, you know what? Screw that. We're just gonna do this. It's only tape on one side. That's weird. All right, here we go. Look at this. Watch this slide right out. Look at that. All right. This is what the box looks like without the sleeve on. So let's get into unboxing. It's gonna be hard doing it in reverse. So here's what it looks like inside the box. Can you guys see that? Get your paperwork, get your little box, wooden box, not the actual box. Paperwork, assuming this is like warranty stuff. Yeah, and then now we're gonna do like an in-depth unboxing. So as we've already said, we got our paperwork up top, little instruction manual for the Bluebird. What is this? Important safety and compliance. That's warranty in English. What we got in this box? I'm gonna make you guys wait until last, because I know you guys are waiting for the microphone. So what's in here? This one I don't know about. What is this? Come on. Get back down in there. There we go. Oh! Okay, so this is a nice touch. We have, right here, Blue was so nice as to include a little shock mount for us. That's a nice touch. Let's just see how nice that is. Full metal, nice strong rubber bands here. The body, or the center, is definitely separated so that it won't hit the sides. That's not going anywhere. Now I read somewhere online, if this is the one that they were talking about, this has a tendency to break, but it seems pretty sturdy to me. I don't know. Any of you guys who have this microphone, let me know in the description below. I'd love to know what you guys think of this shock mount. So we'll put that aside for now. And now let's get into the good stuff. Take this. Get rid of this junk. Get rid of that junk. And here we have the Blue microphone. That's crisp. Look at this. Look at that. Probably not the best way to grab it right by the thing, but it is what it is. We have the Blue microphone. Look at that. Little silica gel. Nice little snack. I'm just kidding. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Blue microphone right here. Full metal enclosure. You got your high pass filter right up here. Your positive and minus negative 20 dB actually. This part comes undone so you can attach it to the shock mount. Actually, wait a second. Hold up, boys. I'm not touching that because that seems like an essential part of the microphone. No, we're not doing that. Don't do that. Don't. The box it comes in is really nice. That's pretty much just it. That's pretty much for the review. I mean, you guys, I don't need to do a sound test because this whole review was recorded with a Blue microphone. everything that we've done right here, I have recording with my Blue microphone. You guys can see in the right hand corner, or the left hand. I don't know what side it is for you guys. Yeah, it's the left. But you already know what it's going to sound like. Obviously, this is not a perfect environment. I do have some acoustic panels, but I don't have a ton where it gets rid of the echo completely. And I don't even know if it recorded any of this because I have a noise gate in OBS on. So we might have to rebox this whole thing and do it all over again if I figured out it didn't work. But that's that. I'll put a link to it in the description. Just an Amazon link, not an affiliate link. So you guys can go check it out. I got this one actually on eBay. A ton of people are getting them on eBay really cheap. So I got this one for it was like 20 bucks less than it is on Amazon. And it came with everything except for the warranty. If you're all about the warranty, yeah, get the one on Amazon because they're sold by Blue. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Go check out my Twitch and go check out my other socials. Link to those in the description below. Alright guys, that's it from me and signing off.